Hi everyone, experience member han mamak ta current affairs ki series asida GKGS Manipur welcome tawjari. Ngasisu GKGS Manipur ne yamna interesting oiraba adumba weekly current affairs ki video ma putana experience ngi damak ta laksari. Hi video di 20 to 27 April pawta thokiba important events in the base of adumba questions ngakani ngasi ki video classes da yauduri base aduga masi khoi exam oriented oina tawbani ne MCQ format oirakani. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯍꯧꯖꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ what was the major treaty suspended by India following the Pahalgam terror attack in April 2025 ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯕꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯃꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯇ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯄꯍꯜꯒꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯦꯔꯔ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯔꯔ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯍꯤꯌꯔ ꯗ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ A ꯏꯟꯗꯁ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤ ꯏꯁ ꯗ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯟꯗꯁ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ 19 ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ 1960ꯗ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯑꯦꯇꯔꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯁ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯑꯦꯇꯔꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯑꯦꯇꯔ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯕꯦꯡꯛꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯝꯂꯥ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯂꯥ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯀꯤꯁꯇꯥꯟꯅ ꯏꯟ ꯔꯤꯇꯔꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯁ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯀꯤꯁꯇꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯝꯂꯥ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯝꯂꯥ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤ 1972ꯗ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯒꯥ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒ ꯄꯥꯀꯤꯁꯇꯥꯟꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯕꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯌꯥꯔꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯄꯥꯀꯤꯁꯇꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯏꯌꯥꯔ ꯏꯁꯄꯦꯁꯇ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯊꯤꯡꯖꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯂꯥ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕർ 2ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯗꯤड ꯗ tragic terrorist attack targeting tourists take place on April 22nd 2025 kadaidano Le Gulmarg Pahalgam Sonma and here the correct option is option number C Pahalgam the thokibani natra mayam adum khangminaramani ka news ta dum hanjin jin yawrabani na Next thing, Narsi, who recently authored a book, the title Bravest of the Brave that was launched in 2025. Bravest of the Brave haba sigi lyrics se kanana ibano kanana author tobano na hangi ka Arundhati Roy, Satish Dua, Abhishek Singh, Rajnath Singh. Option mari pire and here the correct option is option number B Satish Dua na ibni ka and marks high book se kanana launch obono ha matam the chief of general chief of defense staff CDS kanana General Anil Chauhan launch obono General Anil Chauhan launch obono ka aduga masi akhoi kanani ibno Satish Dua na ibni kanagi maramda akhoi Subedar Sunilal one of the decorated soldiers of Indian Army ko mahaki maramda ibni akhoi kanana Satish Dua na ko Haiba sigi Subedar Sunilal se June 24 2007 da Kashmir gi Kupwara sector da Kashmir gi Kupwara sector da adom terrorist attack da sigriba June kya da June 24 2007 da laikhraba adomba Subedar amni mi Indian Army ne ko aduna Mahaki Maramda Satish Dua Bravest of the Brave Raina Iba Adumba Larikabni, one of the decorated soldier of Indian Army. Aduna. Next question now young minarsi Pope Francis, who recently passed away at the age of 88 in the Vatican City, was born in whose country? Karamba country the Pope Kibanona hangi Pope Francis Jeka. Young minarsi Italy, Argentina, Spain, Brazil. And we all know that President Draupadi Murmu Pope Francis ki maki arobi mathamongam yawba so here the correct option is option number B Argentina the Pope Francis with this next question the question number 5 where is the multinational air combat exercise Desert Flag 10 Desert Flag 10 being held from April 21 to May 8, 2025. April 21 dagina May 8, 2025 to pangthokadaba multinational air combat exercise Desert Flag 10 kadai da pangthokadu na hangi ko kadai da pangthokpa hokrabano na hangi Al Dafra Air Base UAE option number A da option number B da Al Udeid Air Base Qatar option number C da Incirlik Air Base Turkey option number D da King Faisal Air Base Saudi Arabia Ma'am, so in Kangomani, that is option number A, Al Dafra Airbase UAE, the Bangthokpa Hokreko. Masi Akoi Indian gi side India gi MiG 29 Airjet ko that is Jaguar aircraft Makoshi Indian Air Force ki oina represent ko. Next yung minarsi question number 6 the Indian Air Force Churyakaran aerobatic team is performing an air show in his city ko Indian Air Force ki Surya Kiran gi aerobatic team na hoi air show mo perform to rekram city dano na hangi ko option number A Bengaluru option B Hyderabad option number C Patna option number D Jaipur and here the correct option is option number C Patna Bihar ani ko Patna Bihar. With this next question, question number 7, who is regarded as the chief architect behind the formulation of the new education policy 2020 ka new education 2020 se purakpa matamda mahaki purakpada responsible oriba chief architect to kanabano na hangi ko option number A the Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank option number B the K Kasturirangan and option number C the Dharmendra Pradhan and option number D the Anil Sahasrabudhe ko akhoi option mari pire and here the correct option is option number B K Kasturirangan akhoi K Kasturirangan se chief architect of new education policy 2020 haina regarded toibo ko karigino marks news to yori se habi maram di marks hana former ISRO chairman oirami marks former ISRO chairman amasuni aduga marks Bengaluru da hantak mahaki Bengaluru da marks chahi 94 da pass away laikidreba ko pass away adonu maram oirakanda marks se khoi news tam yore ni adugi news te oktugi mahaki oiba important points ne ko khoina nainarisa so with this question number 8 ang ying minarsi question number 8 in whose state or union territory is the second Asian Yogasana championship currently taking place ko karamba state or karamba union territory da ko second Asian Yogasana championship se pangthoi gia hena hangi ko option number A the Maharashtra option B the Gujarat option number C the New Delhi and option number D the Goa and here the correct option is option number C New Delhi the pangthoi ko New Delhi ki Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium da Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium the pangthoi ko so with this next question, INS Surat recently seen in news is part of his class of steel guided missile destroyer. INS Surat se karamba class of steel guided missile destroyer gi saruk amanona hangi ko Kolkata class ki ra option number B the Visakhapatnam class ki ra option number C the Rajput class ki ra and option number D the Delhi class ki ra and option mari pire ko so INS Surat ki maram da phera khoi nai si du tar INS Surat che khoi gi fort mari shuba project 15B gi project 15B gi mari shuba adumba Indian Navy gi ship amani ko INS Surat ado marks Visakhapatnam class ki adumba guided missile destroyer abani aduga marks kanana build tawno haba matamda khogi Mezagon Dock Shipbuilders Mumbai da laibaduna akhoi marks build tawbani ko aduga commission tawkiba chahi na January 2025 ta commission tawkibani ko so with this point I understand tawren lawjarage with question number 10 da yang minarse India participated in the GTEx Africa 2025 the continent's largest technology and startup event In which country was this event hosted? Kadaida masigi GTX Africa 2025 se pangthokibano na hangi ko. Option number A Nigeria, option number B Egypt, option number C South Africa, and option number D Morocco. And here the correct option is option number D Morocco da hoigi GTX Africa 2025 se pangthokibani ko. With this question number 11 da mong minarsi. Which international city has officially recognized April 40 as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Day? Karamba international city na akoy April 14 se B.R. Ambedkar Day haina officially recognized tawkrabano na hangi ko. Option number A Toronto, option number B New York, option number C London, and option number C D Sydney ko. And here the correct option is option number B New York na ko. New York ni. Question number 12 tamu yang minarsi. In which Indian state is India's first prototype fast breeder reactor located? Karamba Indian state located oibano na hangi fast India gi hanba prototype fast breeder reactor se nuclear reactor amani ko. Ahanba option da Gujarat, anisuba option da Tamil Nadu, ahumsuba option da Andhra Pradesh, and marisuba option da Karnataka. And here the correct option is Tamil Nadu da located oiko. Aduga masigi fast prototype fast breeder reactor sida akoy Karigidamag energy generation gidamagta kari scenery have matamda akoy fast neutrons ko fast neutrons scenery ba aduga kulen oina kari scenery bano energy generation gidamagta fast neutron scenery aduga kulen oina isingi mahuta liquid sodium sinai aduga masi develop tawbase kanana develop tawbano haba matamda Bharatiya Navikiya Vidyut Nigam Limited haba company sina develop tawbani ko. Bharatiya Navikiya Vidyut Nigam Limited haba sina ka. So with this next question, the young minarsi, which state government has partnered with Kinetic Green to launch the Ping E-Rickshaw scheme? Ping E-Rickshaw scheme se launch on nabagi damakta karam state government na Kinetic Green ga partner to kibano hana hangi ko. Option number A the Uttar Pradesh, option number B the Madhya Pradesh, option number C the Rajasthan, and option number D the Maharashtra. And here the correct option is Maharashtra ko. Maharashtra is the correct option. Masi state government ki women's and child development department ki makhada launch oba dumba scheme amni Ping Rickshaw scheme ka state government ki women's and child development department ki makhada. With this next question the minarse, which university has secured the top position for India's university in the Times Higher Education Asia's ranking 2025? Times Higher Education Asia's ranking 2025 ki makhada kamba university na top position India ki oina top position da laikibano na hangi ka. Option number A da yangasi Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, option number B the Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, option number C the University of Delhi, and option number D the Indian Institute of Science Bangalore ko. And here the correct option is option number D Indian Institute of Science Bangalore ko. Hariba Bangalore sin overall oina akhoi India gi oina number 1 tajar so overall the 38 position da lai ko aduga Asia gi oina ne hai che aduga akhoi China gi oina de sorry number 1 and 2 se akhoi kanano ta ge ha matam da China gi Tsinghua University amsung Peking University na number 1 and 2 tai ko. Tsinghua University and Peking University China gi dominance ka. With this next question, the young minarsi, which organization released the World Economic Outlook, a critical juncture among policy shift report in April 2025? Hariba World Economic Outlook, a critical juncture among policy shift 2025 sa karamba organization released obuno hangi. Option number A World Bank, option number B International Monetary Fund, and option number C World Economic Forum, and option number D United Nations. And here the correct option is option number B International Monetary Fund masigi report se release tawbani ko aduga global growth forecast se kya da lai na hare global growth se akhoi kanana International Monetary Fund forecast oil tawboi matung ina 2.8% da lai aduga India gi growth na kya da lai na mana mokoina ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯂꯤ 6.2% ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤ ꯐꯟꯅ as of January 2025 ꯀꯣ January 2025 ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯗꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ. With this next question da yengminarsi, which state government has introduced the Resam Sakhi Yojana, Resam Sakhi Yojana to economically empower rural women. Ay dong na bugi damakta rural women empower dong na bugi damakta Resam Sakhi Yojana sa kam state government na launch open introduce to open on hangi. Option number A Bihar, option number B Haryana, option number C Uttar Pradesh, and option number D Jharkhand. And here the correct option is option number C Uttar Pradesh na tawpni ka Uttar Pradesh na launch okiba dum scheme amni Resam Sakhi Yojana. Aduga high scheme sigi makhada 50,000 women ko 50,000 se nupi lising yankai da benefit benefits phanghanaba honagani na hari 5 years phokta sahi manga phokta. Aduga ahanba first phase ta makogi first phase ta nupi lising kya da benefit phangangani haba lising taret ka songa women da ko from 15 district tagi nupi lising taret ka songa ga da khudong chaba pigani haina akogi masigi Resam Sakhi Yojana asna hai ba makogi first phase ta. So with this question number 17 da mo yengminarsi, which protected area in Odisha has been designated as the 107 National Park of India? 107 National Park of India haina karamba protected area Odisha da leba karamba protected area bo akoi 107 National Park of India haina lauthokiba na hangi. Option number A Silika Lake, option number B Simlipal Tiger Reserve, and option number C Satkosia's Gorse, option number D Bitakarnika Wildlife Sanctuary ka. And here the correct option is option number B Simlipal Tiger Reserve se akoi 107 National Park of India oina designated tawkhre kada de laimak se Odisha de leka. With this question number 18 damu yengminarsi, what is the theme of the World Intellectual Property Day 2025? World Intellectual Property Day 2025 ki theme je karino na hangi. Innovating for a green future, option number B the creativity and innovation, the power of ideas, and option number C the IP and youth innovating for a better tomorrow, and option number D the IP and music fill the bit of IP in a intellectual property. So we all know that akhona kari khangya World Intellectual Property Day se akhoi annually sahi goding April 26 ta pangthoi ko April 26 ta pangthoi aduga 2025 ki theme sine kari no han have option number D IP and music intellectual property and music fill the bit of intellectual property and have ko. With this question number 19 damu yengminarsi, when was the Civil Service Day observed every year? Civil Service Day sahi kuding ikam kanda observe to banana hangi April 20, April 21, April 22, April 23 sign to the option mari pire, and here the correct option is April 21 is the correct option. April 21 kuding observe to we aduga hantak observe to isina kya suba edition no ha matam do 17 suba Civil Service Day ne 17 Civil Service Day. Masi address akhoi Prime Minister Narendra Modi ne address to kibani ka. With this yengminarsi, question number 20 da who inaugurated the Safe Art Conclave on Art Day? Kanana akhoi Art Day da Safe Art Conclave se inaugurated to kibano na hangi ka. Akhoi option number A da Narendra Modi, option number B da Amit Shah, option number C da Prakash Zavadekar, option number D da Bhupendra Yadav. And here the correct option is Amit Shah. Amit Shah na akhoi gi hariba Safe Art Conclave se inaugurated tawki ka Art Day da Art Day akhoi nising mina bu fari du target 22nd April khuding gi pangthoi Art Day se aduga andak sahi gi theme of 2025 na kari no na hang ko matam da power or planet habisne power or planet. With this next question 21 daw yengminarsi, who inaugurated the Garia and Borso Boron Utsav 2025? Garia and Borso Boron Utsav 2025 se kanana inaugurated tawkinon hangi. Option number A Manik Saha, option number B Narendra Modi, option number C Jagdeep Dhankar, option number D Amit Shah. And here the correct option is Manik Shah. Akhoi Tripura ge Chief Minister Manik Shah, CM of Tripura niko CM of Tripura. Karigino harba matamda Garia and Borso Boron Utsav se akhoi gi Tripura gi makhoi gi tribal heritage celebrate tawba adum festival amne cultural and tribal heritage ki Tripura gi cultural and tribal heritage की festival amne. So, ma'am, so then understand the warning and concept. Question number 22. When was World Book and Copyright Day 2025 celebrated? World Book and Copyright Day 2025 celebrated 22nd April, 23rd April, 24th April, 25th April. And here the correct option is 23rd April the celebrated. Aduga, masigi theme of 2025 na karino na hangpo matanda read your way and have read your way. Theme of 2025 Question number 23. When was National Panchayati Raj Day 2025 observed? 23rd April, 24th April, 25th April, 26th April. China option mari pi de kuma. When khang edu tar National Panchayati Raj Day 24th April the observed toy. Edu tar kari ye observed toy National Panchayat Raj sabje kari karam amendment enga purakino. Sini yam maru oirisiko. When 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act na purakibaniba. Aduna मैं constitutional amendment एक की video यंग दबा आइगे playlist संग कांडम तंग यंग दियो हाबिदी यामना काना गनी मधुगी constitutional amendment एक की video से कोई question है तारे अदुम exam SSC की exam GD की बोइरो CGL की बोइरो अदुम हंगल लिखो अदुगा अदुन मारो मारो कांडा constitutional amendment एक याम मरु है अदुन constitutional important constitutional amendment एक की मरम दाई video से मकान ले जाकर अपनी अदुन YouTube playlist संग कांडम तंग यंग दियो अदुगा मसी कोई implement तौखिबना 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 दा पंचायती राज एक्ट लाखरे अदुगा implement तौबना कोई काम बचहिदा implement तौई है ना हाइबा मतमदा implemented on 24th April 1993 दा implemented तौ सिगी मरम सिना कोई केदोबा पंचायती राज डे 24th April दा observe तौइने. Next thing मिनरसे question number 24. What is the theme of the World Malaria Day 2025? Zero malaria, a global commitment. Option number B, the malaria ends with us, reinvest, reimagine, and reignite. And option number C, the time to act, fight malaria together. And option number D, the defeat malaria, a healthier future. And here the correct option is option number B, malaria ends with us, reinvest, reimagine, and reignite. Aduka World Malaria Day annually every year April 25 kudingi celebrated toiko. Situ points is mentioned below. With this question number 25 what is the theme of the World Immunization Week 2025? World Immunization Week 2025 ki theme je kari no and hangiko. Because World Immunization have say World Immunization Week last week of April. Last week of April da dum sahi kudingi celebrated toiko. Last week of April se World Immunization Week and sahi kudingi celebrated towi. Theme je kari no yang minarsi vaccines bring us closer. Option number B, the protecting communities through immunization, and option number C, the immunization for all is humanly possible, and option number D, the immunization a global public health goal. And here the correct option is option number C, immunization for all is humanly possible. And next question the young minarsi, who was honored with the prestigious Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award on April 24, 2025. Kanabu prestigious Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award se Canada honor to kibnona hangi ko. Option number A, the A.R. Rahman. Option number B, the Kumar Mangalam Birla. And option number C, the Shah Rukh Khan. And option number D, the Narendra Modi. And here the correct option is Aditya Birla Group ki chairman, that is Kumar Mangalam Birla the Haribe Award se honor to kibani. Aduna option number B is the correct option. With this question number 27, who has been elected as the president of the International Center of Films for Children and Young People for the 2025 and 2027 term. Kanabu, president of International Center of Films for Children and Young People elected to hangi. Option number A, the Shyam Benegal. Option number B, the Rima Das. And option number C, the Nandita Das. And option number D, the Jitendra Mishra. And here the correct option is option number D, Jitendra Mishra. With this question number 28, the young minority, Klaus Schwab recently resigned as chairman of which international organization after 5 decades. Sahi decades mangagi matungda decades mangagi matungda Klaus Schwab se akoi international organization Karamba international organization ki chairman oina resign tawkibano hangi ko. khoi khange Klaus Schwab ki maming je tab da dum soi chung khangamoni. Option number A the International Monetary Fund gina, option number B the World Economic Forum gira, option number C the World Bank gira, and option number D the United Nations gira. And here the correct option is option number B, World Economic Forum gini kumya. Mark ko Klaus Schwab se khoi World Economic Forum gi founder ne ba ko mark na founded the World Economic Forum kamba sahida in 1971 da mark na founded to ki bani ka. Aduga haribo World Economic Forum se khoi gi kedawa Geneva based institution amne aduga headquarter na kadai da laiba Switzerland da laiba. Sigi points is nixing amani. So with this question number 28 I understand Tauren Lojari. Question number 29 who recently won the Pune 5 Women's Grand Prix 2025. Kanana no yung minarsi how we fund. Option number B the Koneru Hampi, and option number C the Katarnia Langno, option number D the Zoo and Jun 9 option Mari PD. And here the correct option is option number B, Koneru Hampi is the correct option. With this question number 30 down yung minarsi who recently won the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2025 title. Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2025 title kanana lo kinon hangi Oscar Piastri. And option number B, Max Verstappen, option number C, Charles Leclerc, and option number D, Lando Norris. And here the correct option is option number A, Oscar Piastri na khoi Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2025 ki title sila upenta sa higi oina ka. With this question number 32 daw yung minarsi who won the Sportsman and the Sportswoman of the Year's awards at the Laureus World Sports Awards 2025. Laureus World Sports Award 2025 ta kanana Sportswoman amasung Sportsman gi title se phangibano na hangi ka. Khoi option number A the Novak Djokovic and Serena Williams. Option number B the Lionel Messi and Naomi Osaka. And option number C the Armand Duplantis and Simone Biles. And option number D the Kylian Mbappe and Simone Biles. And here the correct option is Armand Duplantis and Simone Biles is the correct option. Armand Duplantis na akogi Armand Duplantis na Swedish ki pole vaulter amani. Aduga Simone Biles na USA ki United States of America ki gymnast ne. Sigi point nixing birani ka. Aduga masigi function je kadai do pangthokibno hamatan do Madrid, Spain da 21st April the pangthokibani. Aduga akhoi gi masigi award Laureus World Sport Award ka one of the most prestigious sports award in the world. Masi kam kanda akhoi established tokibno and have matam 2000 established tokibno in the year 2000 masigi points is I am nixing birani na khanjai. With this question number 32 the in whose country where the Asian under 15 and under 17 boxing championship featuring a 56 member Indian squad being held kadai the pangthokibno na hangi ko. Option number A the Thailand, option number B the Uzbekistan, and option number C the Kazakhstan, and option number D the Jordan. And here the correct option is option number D, Jordan. Question number 33, who was recently honored with the prestigious Officer of the Order of Arts and Letters Award by the French government. French government kanabo Officer of the Order of Arts and Letters Award se Canada P kino Canada honor to kino na hangika. Option number A, Payal Kapadia, option number B, A.R. Rahman, option number C, Anurag Kashyap, and option number D, Manos Bajpayee. We all know that here the correct option is option number A is the correct option. Ado masa kari gidamak pi kino hamatan the Payal Kapadia gi akogi 77 Cannes Film Festival 2024 da Grand Prix ki award fangkiba maki film All We Imagine is Light hena haiba ko adum badugi masi sibu recognize to boy na French government na kan mangon the Order of Arts and Letters Award se pira kimne. With this next time we question number 30 Question number 34 ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ typing mistake ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯎ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? 23rd Law Commission of India ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯕꯨ chairperson ꯑꯣꯏꯅ appointed ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ. Option number A, the Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Option number B, the Justice Mahesh Yadav. Option number C, the Justice Lan Srivastava. And option number D, the Justice Lakshman Pandey. And here the correct option is option number A, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Hi, but this Justice Dinesh Maheshwari is Hana retire or former Supreme Court Justice. Former Supreme Court Justice. With this question number, next question, how many medals did India win during the 2025 ISSF World Cup campaign held in Lima? Lima the pangtokkiba ISSF World Cup campaign shooting gi nikome. Sida akoi India na medal kya purakpa ngamkibno hangi manga taruk taret nipan akoi option mari pire, and here the correct option is taret 7 medals ko with akoi gold ani 2 gold, duga 4 silver and 1 bronze. Lima the pangthoki ko ISSF habadi International Shooting Sport Federation habani ko ma'am. International Shooting Sport Federation and habani. With this next question the young minarsi, next question, who has been recently reappointed as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India na oina amuk reappointed kanabu reappointed tawkibno na hangi. Option number A da M Rajeshwar Rao, option number B da Michael Patra, and option number C da T Ravi Shankar, and option number D da Swaminathan Janakiraman. And here the correct option is mayamna thoidon hindon khangna T Ravi Shankar ko. T Ravi Shankar ma ki second term ne aduga ma amuk effective oina May 3 dagi horakanda amuk 1 year amuk extended torakanda sahi amagi reappointed tawkibni ko 1 year ge aduga ma hantak siga oina second term oigadobna, second term extension haitar, second term extension. With this next question the minarsi, in whose state has India's first quantum computing village recently been established? Karam state ta India gi han hanbo ina quantum computing village established tawkibno na hangi ko. Option number A Karnataka, option number B Telangana, option number C Kerala, and option number D Andhra Pradesh. And here the correct option is option number D Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh ki Amaravati harba village to the Amaravati harba village to the established tawkibni ko. The village maming si ningsing bo phai ko me. With this next question, question number 38. What is the primary goal of the National Zero Measles and Rubella Elimination Campaign 2025-2026? Option number A, to vaccinate all newborns against measles and rubella. Option number B, to achieve 100% immunization and eliminate both diseases by 2026. Option number C, to reduce measles and rubella cases by 50%. And option number D, to introduce new vaccines for measles and rubella. Option mari pire, and here ahoi India government amasigi measles amasung rubella se ahoi 2026 pokta eliminate tawnabagi pandam thammi ba India government aduna maram orakanda masigi campaign se paktokpani aduga masigi campaign se primary goal se option number B, that is to achieve 100% immunization and eliminate both disease, that is measles and rubella by 2026 ko. With this ngasigi akhoi current affairs ki weekly current affairs ki classes matang sai da sinjare aduga PDF amasung important updates amasung quizzes ki damakta ai Telegram channel sida join tokshin biro aduga WhatsApp privacy now gisu WhatsApp group WhatsApp channel hangduna thamjare ai description da link soiduna hapcharange aduga mayam channel sida ki kana bo khajitang oisu phangena khanbi bitar de like share amasung subscribe tobo kaubigino haina nixingjari aduga mayam bo mohana thagat phangdoksari. Thank you ma'am.